In an era marked by unprecedented environmental challenges, businesses worldwide are seeking effective ways to minimize their ecological footprint. ISO 14001 emerges as a beacon of hope, providing a robust framework for organizations to manage their environmental responsibilities. This internationally recognized standard empowers businesses to identify, control, and mitigate their environmental impacts. This essay delves into the intricacies of ISO 14001, exploring its significance, benefits, and the steps involved in achieving certification. We will also examine the profound impact of ISO 14001 on organizations and the environment. The ISO 14001 is an internationally recognized standard that provides a practical framework for organizations to manage their environmental responsibilities. It outlines the requirements for an effective environmental management system, or EMS. An EMS enables organizations to identify their environmental aspects, set objectives and targets for improvement, and establish operational controls to minimize their environmental footprint. The standard emphasizes a systematic approach encompassing environmental policy, planning, implementation, performance evaluation, and continuous improvement. At its core, ISO 14001 promotes a proactive approach to environmental management, encouraging organizations to go beyond mere compliance with regulations. It encourages businesses to view environmental stewardship as an integral part of their operations, fostering a culture of sustainability. By embracing ISO 14001, organizations demonstrate their commitment to minimizing their environmental impact and contributing to a healthier planet. The origins of ISO 14001 can be traced back to the growing global concern for environmental protection in the late 20th century. The standard was first published in 1996 by the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO, as a response to the increasing demand for a globally harmonized framework for environmental management. The standard drew inspiration from earlier environmental management initiatives, such as the British standard BS 7750. Since its inception, ISO 14001 has undergone several revisions to ensure its continued relevance and effectiveness in addressing evolving environmental challenges. The most recent revision, ISO 14001, 2015, places a greater emphasis on leadership, risk management, and the life cycle perspective. This iterative development process underscores ISO's commitment to providing a dynamic and robust framework for environmental management that meets the needs of organizations in the 21st century. The urgency for organizations to adopt ISO 14001 is underscored by the escalating environmental challenges confronting our planet. Climate change, resource depletion, pollution, and biodiversity loss are stark reminders of the interconnectedness between human activities and the environment. Businesses, as key drivers of the global economy, have a critical role to play in mitigating these challenges. ISO 14001 provides a structured approach for organizations to identify, manage, and reduce their environmental impacts. By implementing an EMS based on ISO 14001, organizations can effectively address their environmental aspects, such as energy consumption, waste generation, and water usage. The standard's focus on continual improvement encourages organizations to set ambitious environmental targets and strive for excellence in their environmental performance. Section 5. Reaping the Rewards. Benefits of ISO 14001 certification. Achieving ISO 14001 certification brings forth a myriad of benefits for organizations. These benefits extend beyond enhanced environmental performance, positively impacting various aspects of a business. Let's delve into some of the key advantages. Improved environmental performance. ISO 14001 provides a systematic approach to identifying and managing environmental aspects, leading to reduced pollution, waste, and resource consumption. Enhanced reputation and brand image. Certification to ISO 14001 demonstrates an organization's commitment to environmental responsibility, enhancing its reputation among customers, investors, and the community. Compliance with regulations. The standard helps organizations meet environmental regulations and avoid potential fines or penalties. It provides a structured framework for managing legal requirements and ensuring compliance. Increased operational efficiency. By optimizing resource use and minimizing waste, ISO 14001 can lead to significant cost savings and improved operational efficiency. Access to new markets. Many customers and businesses prioritize environmental responsibility in their purchasing decisions. ISO 14001 certification can open doors to new markets and business opportunities. Section 6, Pillars of ISO 14001, Guiding Principles for Environmental Excellence. ISO 14001 guides organizations in establishing an effective environmental management system, or EMS. A clear environmental policy outlines the organization's commitment to protection. Planning involves identifying environmental aspects and setting objectives. Implementation includes developing procedures and controls. Regular monitoring ensures EMS effectiveness. Management should review the EMS for continuous improvement. Section 7. The Road to Certification, Navigating the ISO 14001 Journey. Achieving ISO 14001 certification is a journey that requires careful planning, implementation, and ongoing commitment. The process typically involves several key steps. Preparation. This initial phase involves establishing the context of the organization, determining the scope of the EMS, and securing top management commitment. Documentation. Developing and implementing the necessary documentation, including the environmental policy, procedures, and records, is crucial for demonstrating compliance with the standard. Implementation. This phase involves putting the EMS into action, training employees, and establishing operational controls to manage environmental aspects. Internal audit. Conducting internal audits helps assess the effectiveness of the EMS and identify any areas for improvement. Certification audit. Once the organization is confident that its EMS meets the requirements of ISO 14001, it can engage an accredited certification body to conduct an audit. Achieving certification. Upon successful completion of the certification audit, the organization receives an ISO 14001 certificate, demonstrating its commitment to environmental management. Section 8, ISO 14001 in Action, Transforming Organizations and the Planet. The impact of ISO 14001 extends far beyond the walls of certified organizations. Its principles and requirements have inspired a global movement towards environmental sustainability, transforming industries and shaping a more responsible business landscape. One compelling example is the automotive industry, where ISO 14001 has played a pivotal role in driving the development and adoption of cleaner technologies. Car manufacturers have implemented stringent environmental management systems to reduce emissions, improve fuel efficiency, and minimize waste throughout their supply chains. Another notable example is the tourism industry, where ISO 14001 has been instrumental in promoting sustainable tourism practices. Hotels and resorts are adopting eco-friendly measures to conserve water, reduce waste, and protect local ecosystems. Section 9. Conclusion. A sustainable future with ISO 14001. In conclusion, ISO 14001 stands as a testament to the power of collective action in addressing pressing environmental challenges. By providing a robust framework for environmental management, the standard empowers organizations to become responsible stewards of our planet. The benefits of ISO 14001 certification are numerous and far-reaching, encompassing enhanced environmental performance, improved reputation, increased profitability, and access to new markets. As we navigate an era defined by environmental consciousness, ISO 14001 will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping a more sustainable future. By embracing its principles and embarking on the journey of certification, organizations can make a tangible difference in preserving our planet for generations to come. Section 10. Embrace the change. Implement ISO 14001 today. The time for complacency is over. The environmental challenges we face demand immediate action from all sectors of society. Implementing ISO 14001 is not merely a choice, it is a responsibility. It is an investment in the future of our planet and the well-being of generations to come. By embracing ISO 14001, organizations can transform their operations, reduce their environmental impact, and contribute to a more sustainable future. It is a journey worth taking, a commitment worth making, and a legacy worth leaving behind. Let us all embrace the change and embark on the path towards environmental excellence with ISO 14001.